Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm presenting you the tutorial of new Kpop edit trend called No One Else. Here's the advanced results. I used Capcut Pro features in the tutorial. So I'll be sharing Capcut Pro's link with y'all in next video by tomorrow, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Get your clips ready. Add a keyframe at start and another at the end of all clips, except intro. Now go to the start keyframe of first clip and go to basic. Increase the scale as much you want and then set rotate to -5. Now move to the end keyframe of second clip and go to basic. Increase the scale as much you like and set the rotate to -5. Now repeat the second clip process with rest of the clips. Move to the intro and add keyframe on both ends. Go to basic and rotate the clip to -5 at end keyframe. Now go to graphs and select these out too. Add the same graph to rest of the clips. Now go to second clip and go to animation. Then select turbulence and set its duration 0.2 sec. Add this animation to rest of the clips. Now go to video effects and then go to nightclub. And select play pendulum. Set intensity 30, speed 70, and twist 0. Make its length equal to the clip. Now again go to video effects and go to opening and closing. Then select oblique blur. Set its blur 100 and rotate 50. Make the length of effect about 1/3 of the clip. Now add keyframes at both sides of the effect. Set the blur 0 at end keyframe. Copy the effect 3 times and drag the third copy under second clip. Now repeat the process till last clip. For the outro, add a white square-shaped overlay. Make its length shorter. Now rotate the overlay at angle of 45 degrees. Then go to mask and select rectangle. March the overlay as I did. Now add a keyframe at the start and zoom in the overlay. Add another keyframe at the end and zoom at the overlay. Then go to animation and select fade out. Increase its duration to full. Now go to intro and then go to adjust. And size saturation -20. And here the tutorial ends. You can save your edit.